Namaste, Khushro Bitia. My name is JBN Sachin Pratap Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program name BA Journalism, Course Photography and Videography, Session name Chamber. Today to be discussed, I will discuss about chamber. What is chamber? A camera magazine is a light, tight chamber of pair of chamber designed to hold film and move motion picture. Film stock before and after it has been exported in the camera. In most movie cameras, the magazine is a removable piece of equipment. Many still photo camera also have removable magazines. A film cartridge serves to same function but is usually reusable length. In 16 filmmaking, most magazines are designed up to 400 feet of film stock, which usually is the longest standard roll size available from film manufacturers. Longer rolls can be made upon special request sometimes. What require special magazine? In 35 filmmaking, there tend to be three common magazine types. 100, 1000 foot magazine, which accommodate the longest standard roll size of 35 film. 400 foot magazine, which are often used when the camera is handheld in order to minimize the amount of weight upon the camera operator. And 400 foot circadian magazines, which is specially designed with a pair of moving spindles that gradually change position as the film roll through the camera in order to maintain a steady center gravity, which is advantage for academic operation. While this last magazine is not stretchable necessary for academic uses of other magazine type may require frequent rebalancing of the rig in between takes due to weight shifting as the film move from one side to the magazine the other. Use of 1000 foot magazine on acadium tends to be rare to the large amounts shifting weight and the greater total weight of the camera section. All magazines are composed of a feed or a payout side in which the film is held before exposure and a take up side where the film is held after exposure. Furthermore, in between these two sides, there are always two separate slots or throats where the film exits and then re-enter the magazine. These must also be designed to be light tight enough to allow the film to exit the magazine without letting any light into the magazine itself, where it might fog the rest of the film inside. Various types of magazine handle the film in between the two sides differently. Aton and Arri 60 camera as well as most 35 Arri models require a fixed length loop which must be certain number of parafoot long and which move the film with sprockets inside the magazine. Some more recent 35 cameras from Arri and Moviecam and Panavision cameras, however, do not have a have any required loop size, and the film is not controlled with any sprockets in the magazine at all. Instead, the film is pulled through the camera slowly through the power of camera SP rockets until the end, and which point spreading of belt in the camera magazine. Pull the film back the take up side. Design. Another measure. Categorization is the types of design. Is the magazine one chamber of two chamber? If the latter are two horizontal and or axial to each other. Most 35 camera magazines are one large chamber containing both spindles. Usually the spindles are close enough together so that the feed and take up roll will just miss touching each other. When the maximum length of film for the magazine is it is at its halfway point. Camera with the single chamber magazine design included. All Panavision and Movicam camera, most 35 mm Arri cameras, and all older 65 mm Arri cameras. Some old cameras, such the Michael have two separated chamber horizontal to each other, which looks very similar to a one chamber design, more popular today. In two chamber design, however, are two chamber axle magazine where the feed and take up rolls are stacked one atop the other cameras. This magazine designed in 60 mm include the Aton and Arri SR models, and in 35 mm include the Arri BL and 535 model. Responsibilities. The camera magazine tends to be held mostly in the charge of the clipper loader on set, who is in charge of loading and unloading the magazine, labeling it properly, securing it is light tight, and delivering and receiving magazine from the focus puller, who attach and deattach them from the camera and handles the threading of the film in the camera. Thank you.